Sefi this side, and today we'll be taking a look at the OnePlus Bullet Wireless 2 headphones. And I'm sure that if you have recently thought of buying a pair of wireless headphones, these must have been on your list, doesn't matter if you end up buying them or not. And this is probably because of the brand name OnePlus has developed for itself. So quickly taking a look at the headphones, it has basically two parts, and the first part is a neckband with hard ends, and on the left end we have the OnePlus logo, USB Type-C charging port, the LED, which indicates the pairing status, and it also turns red when the battery is low or during charging. And right beside this LED, we also have a button which helps to switch between different pair devices. And this neckband is connected with the headphones with wires and with an inline remote also on the left side. Using this remote, you can adjust volume, play, pause, or skip music tracks. And this remote also houses a microphone on the back, which means that you can also connect and disconnect calls using this remote. After all that said, I will divide this review into two parts: good things and not so good things about these headphones, because I think that way it will be easier for you to make your final decision. So first, let's talk about the good things, and first thing on the list is the design. These headphones are pretty lightweight, and there's something about these headphones that screams class. It might be the color or the material choice, or may well be the OnePlus branding, which only shows that a decent amount of time has been spent to design these headphones, as long as you are not looking at the fragile wires that connect these headphones to the neckband. Well, sure, they complement the lightweight theme, but they could have been better, no doubt there. Second thing on the list is how comfortable they are. They do have a different design from generation 1. They have this dome type shell in the headphones design itself, which sits comfortably in your ear canal and helps them to stay there without any strain, no matter for how long you are wearing them for. And these will fit you very nicely, as they come with 3 different size ear tips. I'm using the small one and they fit perfectly, no complaints at all. And they have these magnets on each side. As soon as you take them out of your ears, they snap back together while also stopping any music or video playing on your phone. And also the neckband is very good. First, it has this inherent flex to it, which gives it this shape in such a way that it keeps itself around your neck with zero problems. And since the neckband is mostly made of silicon, so it's flexible except for the ends of the band where it probably houses the batteries and the other electronics. And since the rest of it is also flexible, you can also wear them while sleeping without any worries, so the comfort level is top notch. Next thing on the list is how they interact with your smartphone, and this probably is one of the best feature about these headphones, and personally this is my favorite one. And this can also be the deal breaker for so many people. So when you take them out of the box, snap the headphones together and then separate them, they automatically goes into the pairing mode. You can see the white breathing light on the band indicating that they have entered the pairing mode. And if you have a OnePlus phone and you have already turned on its Bluetooth, a notification will appear on your phone and you just have to click tap to pair, and that's it. They are connected. And that's not even the best part. To turn off these headphones or to disconnect them from your smartphone, just take them out of your ears, snap them back, and they are turned off. And when you again separate them, they will automatically connect to the last device they were connected to within seconds. And this is so convenient. And this might not sound that much fun on this video, but when you can just do this to connect these headphones to your smartphone and listen to your music, and you can just do this to disconnect them from your smartphone, stopping any kind of music playback on your phone, you truly feel empowered. And the next thing on the list is the charging method and their battery life. These headphones come with a USB Type-C port, which means that they support fast charging, and you can charge them from 0 to 100% with OnePlus's 20-watt charger in around an hour. But with OnePlus's 30-watt warp charger, they'll take around an impressive 45 to 50 minutes to get a full charge. And on a complete charge, you can see on the screen how long did they last for me, and it is a big number to score for a wireless headphones. And what's even better, you can just plug these headphones to OnePlus warp charger for just 10 to 15 minutes and you'll easily get couple of hours of playback. OnePlus claims 10 hours, but I think it's little too ambitious. So that's all for all the good things about these headphones. And now let's take a look at not so good things about these headphones. And the first thing on the list is the sound quality. And yes, I am saying this with a heavy heart, but for me, the sound they produce, they just cannot justify their 6,000 rupees price tag with that. The major lacking on these headphones is the bass. And at least I feel that its 10mm driver is struggling to deliver even decent amount of lows. The mids and the highs, which are basically the vocals and the shimmers, they are well balanced and they also get decently loud, and these definitely sound better than the first generation, but the bass is just not there, which means that there's still a lot of room to improve. Now the next thing that bothered me was when I tried to put these headphones inside the case that comes in the box. First, it will take some getting used to on how to put these headphones inside the case, and whenever I was able to do it successfully, the headphones got separated inside the case. And remember I told you, as as soon as you separate these headphones, they connect to your smartphone almost instantly. So every time I'm putting these headphones inside this case, I have to turn off my phone's Bluetooth as well so that they don't stay connected. And yes, of course, they'll automatically turn off after 5 minutes if they are not able to connect to the last device. But the problem is, suppose if you also wear a smartwatch or you connect your phone to the Bluetooth in your car, you would have to toggle that Bluetooth icon on your phone couple of more times than you would like to, and imagine yourself doing that every time. And this is probably the reason why I have never used this case, only after struggling for the first couple of times. Next thing that could have been better on these headphones, apart from the fragile wires I talked about earlier in this video, are these buttons on the remote. They are not the most tactile buttons and I have felt that they are little hard to press, but I have seen worse, so I can work with them. And the inline microphone quality is only decent, nothing special. So after all that said, I'll give you my verdict on these headphones. If you are an audiophile and you listen to a lot of electronic or bass heavy music like I do, these are not for you. Straight no, you will be disappointed by the lack of bass. And if you're someone who listens to their music on the go, needs a really nice looking pair of headphones and prefers convenience over deep bass, listen to this. These are super comfortable, they have excellent battery life, and they connect via USB Type-C, so supports insanely fast charging. They have excellent connectivity thanks to the neat tricks done by the OnePlus team and the onboard Bluetooth 5 hardware, which helps with the range and stable connection. And of course, they look pretty cool. So for you people, these are going to check a lot of boxes. So go to the store and buy these, or perhaps don't go to the store, order them online. So I think I have covered everything that needs to be covered about these headphones, but still, if you have any questions, you can ask me in the comment section. And while you are doing that, feel free to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel for more tech content. But until next time, thanks for watching, stay indoors and be safe.